In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the news headlines. Maulvi Abdul Kabir, the Minister of Refugee and Repatriation, meets with the administrators of Afghan Darul Uloom and Darul Ahnaf. The signing of an agreement between the Minister of Finance and international company DP World on modernizing and equipping the country's ports. And the discovery of the bodies of 17 migrants on a boat near Greek island of Crete. Welcome to today's news package. Is Sunday, the 16th of Jamad al-Thani 1447, the 16th of August 1404, and the 7th of December 2025. The news details. Maulvi Abdul Kabir, the Minister of Refugee and Repatriation, met with the administrators of Afghan Darul Uloom and Darul Ahnaf schools. The ministry expressed appreciation for the efforts of the religious schools and institutions in serving the country, describing the sacrifices of the school and other academic bodies as an important part of national history. He added that the Islamic system supports all educational and academic institutions. Meanwhile, the administrators of the mentioned Darul Uloom and Madrasa, pointing to the improvement in the quality of the instruction compared to the previous years, stated the country's religious schools are now equipped with better facilities. They added that with the efforts of the Islamic Emirate, thousands of young people graduate from religious centers each year and are presented to society for service. An agreement on modernization and equipping of national ports was signed between the Minister of Finance and international company DP World. Mufti Abdullah Azam, the Director General of the Office of the Economic Deputy of the Prime Minister, stated during the signing ceremony that according to the terms of the agreement, Hayratan port will be modernized in the first phase and Turham port in the second phase. The ports will be equipped with modern facilities and their infrastructure will be brought in line with international standards. According to Mr. Azam, investment in ports and the modernization will significantly facilitate the country's export and import processes. DP World is an international company with extensive experience in managing global ports, and by utilizing its expertise, Afghan cargoes can afford in accordance with international standards. The news continuation. Sheikh Shahabuddin Delawar, the president of the Afghan Red Crescent Society, met with Andreas Papa Constantantiu, the Director General of the Civil Protection Operations and Humanitarian Aid of the European Union. The Afghan Red Crescent Society stated that Mr. Delawar urged the European Union to support returnees and vulnerable families inside the country with the onset of winter. In turn, the EU's Director General of Humanitarian Aid assured that the European Union will continue its cooperation in providing assistance of the affected and needy people of Afghanistan. And finally, Al Jazeera News Network, citing a Greek Coast Guard, has reported that the bodies of 17 migrants were found on a boat near the island of Crete. Based on the Coast Guard spokesperson, the victim, along with 2 survivors, were discovered approximately 48 kilometers southwest of Crete. All the victims were young men. Meanwhile, the 2 survivors stated that their boats became unstable due to the bad weather, causing them to lose control of it. That's the end of our news program. For further informative materials, you could track Urooj on social media and platforms. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.